So, do you want to buy your first DSLR but don't have lakhs of rupees to spend on it? Good news is that there are various entry-level DSLRs available that you can pick from. So, let's see which are the ones.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about 5 entry-level DSLRs that you can buy with a limited budget and which don't burn a hole in your pocket. And these DSLRs give you a lot of room to grow, meaning you can attach different types of lenses and filters to them. But still guys, your budget should be more than 25,000 if you want to invest in a DSLR. But if your budget is less than that, between 15 to 25,000, I've made another video guys where I talk about the 5 best point and shoot cameras that you can buy with that budget. The video is right here. You can go check it out if your budget is less. But if your budget is around 25,000 and you're dying to buy your first DSLR, this video is for you. So let's start the video. The Nikon D3500 is currently the most appealing beginner's DSLR in the market. It has an amazing guide shooting mode that kinda acts like an interactive photography course. Other cool features include ISO range of 100 to 25,600, 11 autofocus points, 5 frames per second shooting speed, and full HD video recording. You can buy this from Amazon at around 37,839 rupees for 2 lenses and 27,999 rupees for 1 lens. The Canon 1500D comes with cool features such as 24 megapixel APS-C sized CMOS sensor capable of full HD digital recording at 25 fps in 1080p, ISO range of 100 to 12,800, 9 autofocus points, 3 fps shooting speed, and Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity. Its 3-inch LCD monitor, does not swivel to the side, and lacks touchscreen capabilities. At Amazon, it is priced at around 33,999 if you buy it with 2 lenses, 18-55mm and 55-50mm. If you buy it with a single lens, it may cost you around 25,990 rupees.
Canon 200D
features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sized CMOS sensor that allows you to take great images even in low light situations with an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, expandable up to 51,200. Movies can be captured at 50p, 60p to give you super smooth footage. So if your budget is more, instead of the 1500D, you can go for the 200D, which is priced at around 49,989 rupees for 2 lenses and 47,589 rupees for a single lens. The Nikon D5600 is a great upgrade from the Nikon D3000 series, with specs that can rival the likes of even Canon 800D. Its main advantages include an LCD monitor that can swivel to the side, more advanced autofocus system, Wi-Fi, GPS, and healthier range of additional control on the inside. Sure, you have to pay more for all these privileges, but this camera offers you a lot of room to grow in, and it can stay with you for years to come. Price on Amazon with 2 lenses 47,529 and for a single lens 37,999 rupees. With its lightweight and compact size, the Sony a6000 is a mid-range mirrorless camera that can rival the likes of many heavy DSLRs. It features a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sized CMOS sensor that can record high quality images and videos even in low light situations with an ISO range of 100 to 25,600. Notable traits include 11 frames per second shooting speed and an intelligent fast hybrid autofocus system. You can buy it from Amazon at a price of around 40,490 rupees for a single lens 1650 mm and for two lenses 1650 and
55 to 10.
you need to pay around 50,590 rupees. Here is a quick comparison between these 5 cameras. So guys, these are some great entry-level cameras that you can buy with a reasonable budget. And if you guys found my video to be useful, please give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which camera tutorials you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your photography friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous camera tutorial and here is the video. If your budget is less than 25,000, you can go watch this video. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.